And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you yet another way to print out objects. Simply use JSON stringify. To do that, we'll define a variable, let str for string, and then equal to keyword JSON dot stringify. And inside you have to put the object's name. In our case, that's the user. And now we can simply print out the str. And this will give us the entire object. So we'll get the curly brackets and then properties and the values. For example, here we have first name, the property, and LeBron as the value. And this would be another way to print out an object. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.